What's good, everybody? It's your boy David again, and I'm back with another video. So, kanina, just a while ago, nag-react ako kay Faylene, no? Sa kanyang blind audition. Ngayon naman, si Nathalie. Okay. Bakit ko siya i-react? Kasi I love this song, Pasilyo. Okay? So, mag-subscribe kayo if bago kayo dito, and follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay? So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go, Nathalie.
Po to sa pangarap ko. Lagi ko lang po siya nakikita sa TV and hindi ko po akalaing isa po ako sa tatanggap.
Let's go.
Paladay basang-basa ang dagita ba'y damang-dama sa aking kanamnan puno.
I love the vibrato. Haha, bamboy. Agad. I already expected it. First note pa lang, first buka ng bibig ni Nathalie, alam ko, Coach Bambo would turn. I knew it. I love the tone quality. Ang ganda ng character ng boses. Oy, timing, may ads. Anyway, okay, i-play muna natin. So, ang ganda ng character, ng voice character, yung grading, yung grano ng tono niya, lalo na sa mid-range, hindi yung sa mga high notes part. No, wala pa naman kasi yung like the super beat it. But I think that she's more into that chest voice rather than doing some falsetto, no? Kaya that's why babagay siya either kay Coach Bambo or kay Coach KZ. Yung style niya very modern. Ayan o, medyo weak pa yung falsetto niya, 'di ba sabi ko kanina. Nice. Hahaha. Hahaha. Ang ganda ng character ng boses niya, yung tone quality may magaspang. Magaspang in a nice way, no? Lalo na pagka she tries to belt it out, no? With that quite high, no? Medyo mga matataas na notes, no? I know this is not like the original key. Pero maririnig mo talaga yung gaspang, yung papaos-paos, which KZ Tandingan also has. Kaya sabi ko, babagay talaga siya kay Miss KZ or kay Coach Bambo, the style. But I don't know. We couldn't tell.
Yeah! Wait lang po, wait lang.
Don't cry now! Oh no!
Alright.
Well, it's a good thing you didn't cry during the song. That's the
No,
worst.
she was, yeah. Nahihirapan siya at the part.
Good job.
Thank you,
Come on.
Coach.
Good job!
All right.
You let us know when you're ready. Are you ready?
Okay, here we
Grabe
go.
naman.
What's your name?
I'm Nathalie and La Fuente po.
Your speaking voice is another girl. Where's the girl who sang earlier?
Umalis na
What did
po.
you do
Oh.
with her?
Very sweet yung speaking
I want to
voice.
talk to the girl who sang kanina. Because yung girl who sang kanina, napakagaling. Hinahanap ko yung
Maangas.
schedule niya for next set of shows. Parang nagiging fan ako bigla. It's such a nice, contagious voice. I mean, pag kumakanta ka, lahat titingin sa'yo. Kami, umikot lahat. Pero lahat, well, who's that? What's that voice? Oh my God! So, let's say, fast forward yung buhay mo, na recording artist ka na. Pag dinig nila yung boses mo, they'll know for sure that this is Natalie. May brand na ang boses mo. So, I really hope that you choose Martine because we sure could use you on our team. And I would love to say that that girl, the one who's selling gazillion on all Spotify's and all platforms, she was on my team. So please, if you want, this is where you need to be, baby.
I'm so happy that
Ganda ng pitch niya, no?
Performance as well, no? Ang galing lang kasi nang umikot ako, usually when we turn,
Kakabahan.
makikita kong reaction ng konti sa mukha ng singer. Okay? At ikaw, you're so composed. Hindi nag-shift. Na yung hinahanap ni Coach Martin na parang yung boses na iba, alam ko yan eh. It comes from deep within eh. It's parang you're giving your whole total self to the moment eh. To the song. At ang ganda nun eh. Kaya, ang ganda na nawawala ka lang. At may part dun nga eh na nung nag-open up ka, and isa pa, you felt so comfortable on stage. Nakatayo ka na. Kaya sabi ko pro eh. So I would like that kind of special, that kind of look, that kind of smile, that kind of voice, that kind of spirit sa Camp Kawayan.
Oh, galing din ng pitch niya.
Nathalie, you sound like a seasoned singer. Yung alam mo what works for you, alam mo kung ano yung magandang bitaw na bagay sa'yo.
Yes.
Alam mo din yung bagay na kanta para sa'yo. That says a lot about you as an artist. And I love working with artists na alam kung ano yung gusto nila. Siguro, if I were to really nitpick dun sa performance, it's not something bad. Pero kanina may mga parts ka, nung nagsisimula ka, medyo tulak lang ng konting-konti. Pwede pa sana yung inatras ng konti. Tapos nung lumaki, tsaka ka nag-falsetto, which is the part sana na dapat tinulak mo na.
Yes.
Aladay, basang-basang. Tumulak na eh, so dapat patulak ka na din. Okay, mga ganong bagay which we'll keep working on when you choose me as your coach and when you become part of my team.
Win-win ka dyan.
Ayun. Siyempre, dapat ganun, i-claim mo na.
Sabi niya win.
Ako rin, I'm excited to work with you. Ako, I've prided myself for all these seasons na bahay kami ng mga artists.
Ala, grabe.
Sort of our creed, no? Parang how yung ugali lang eh. That, gusto ko paglabas ng experience to, you think, you breathe like an artist, di ba? That you see the world in a different way.
You have the ingredients of being a champion on The Voice Teens. So I'm just going to boldly say that and now leave it to you.
Wow.
It's your decision.
Yeah.
Tell us why, tell us who. Here we go.
Wait.
Okay. Nung nag-react ako kay Faylene earlier, no, tinapos ko yung video and then I was very disappointed because hindi pinakita kinat tapos hindi ko alam kung saang team. So, may ano pa naman dito, may mga around 3 minutes, exactly 3 minutes, 6:21 then 9:21 yung end. So exactly 3 minutes. So maybe ipapakita nila, but I would opt not to finish the video para may something to look forward ako kasi binitin na ako ni Faylene kanina. So ibibitin ko na lang yung sarili ko. So feeling ko pupunta siya kay it's just either Miss Casey or Coach Bamboo. Sa kanila lang. I'm sorry, Sir Martin, but yeah, yung feeling ko talaga. But they all had a good pitch, okay, sa kanilang turns para i-convince si Natalie. So anyway, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.